We speak. I'm Derek Ray, and my commentary partner here on the gantry is the former Arsenal and West Ham player Stuart Robson. And we're fully convinced this game will live up to its billing. It's Real Madrid versus Arsenal.
Well, thanks, Derek. The best coach I played under would always tell us before kick-off, earn the right to play. If you can win your individual battles, outrun your opponent...
And he's through here. Well read to ease the pressure. Karim Benzema, opportunity it is. And a goal right off the bat. No wonder they're jumping for joy.
Well, as you can see, he's a great talent. What a run, what a goal, and what a player he is.
On they go again, and Arsenal know they need to wipe out that last goal. Lacazette, De Bruyne. Arsenal pushing forward with options available. Opportunity here. Oh, a stellar piece of defending. Rivaldo. Real chance. Not out of the woods yet. And in the end, no damage done. Socrates. Lacazette. Arsenal's free kick here. Well, the free and pushed onto the woodwork. Well, it looks, and the referee says penalty. Opportunity, Lacazette. A goal, accurate from the spot.
Well, as you can see, he hits this with so much power, but just look at the follow-through. So athletic. That's a dynamic strike.
So back underway following the equaliser. A foul but no whistle, instead advantage with Arsenal. Jadon Sancho. Palinha. Lacazette. Eder Militao. Salah. Benzema. Now Lacazette. Sancho. De Bruyne. Really good challenge. And promising... Can he put it in? And it's a double for him in this game. No way for the opposition to contain him. And no wonder he's off celebrating.
Well, let's take another look. And wow, how cleanly does he hit that? The keeper was never going to save it. What a good goal that is.
So the game has been restarted. What sort of response will that elicit from Real Madrid? High quality defending. Lacazette. If you're wondering about stoppage time, 1 minute to be added on. John Barnes. Really good challenge. Super tackle from Roberto Carlos. A goal! How about that? He's put it away to make it a hat-trick.
Well, I have to say, this is a really good goal. Just watch his technique here. He just hits through the back of the ball with such power. There's no stopping that.
So back underway, 3-1 the score. And with that, the first half draws to a close. Well, they have been getting 3 substitutes warmed up. And by the look of it, all 3 are coming on. So the ball moving. The pendulum has already swung Arsenal's way in this game. Will we see more of the same in the second half? Rivaldo. Okocha. Just lost his focus. Throw in here. And winning it back. And teammates around him, but really sticking to their task defensively. And it's gone behind for the corner. And it took a touch on the way through, so a corner here. Didn't fool the keeper. Growing pressure here, and another corner. Okocha! And the last touch off the defender, so a corner coming up. Vinicius Junior. Benzema. Committed challenge. And it will be a free kick to Real Madrid. Modric. Rivaldo. Well, terrific defending to stop them progressing. Well, there's no getting away from it. Arsenal are cruising, Stuart.
Yeah, clearly the better side. Obviously being fantastic up front, but it's their work ethic for me. They're just not happy unless they have the ball. And they're fighting to win it back whenever they do lose it. It's been a really great performance all round.
And they could face difficulties here. Well, the post got in the way. Oh, incredible save. And he stuffed out the danger. Well, the goalkeeper dealt with it admirably. Rivaldo. And a goal to put the final stamp on it. That will do it.
Well, here you can see what a good goal this is. He hits it so cleanly and the keeper has no chance. That's a great strike.
Well, if there were any lingering doubts about the outcome, surely they now have been removed. And cleared away. Well, wait, don't go anywhere. We're going to have 5 additional minutes. Zambrotta comes away with the ball. Jadon Sancho. And now it is official. The referee brings this match to an end, and it's a victory for the Gunners.
Well, Derek, they were the better team all over the pitch. We saw good individual performances. We saw an attack which was always threatening, and they played really well. What a performance that was today.